Gymstick H2O is a workout in the water using a gym stick in the pool, but it's a very different gym stick from the one that we use on land. So some of you already know what gym stick on land is all about, but the gym stick in the water is used very differently. And one of the cool things about using the gym stick in the pool is that you can change the resistance by winding up the bands. Can't do that with any other piece of pool equipment. You can do things like a bicep curl and the stick can come up out of the water. That's different from using dumbbells or a noodle. We can also add leg actions that work against the resistance of the bands while working our upper body. It is so completely different. You know, I can do an upright row and I can do cross-country ski. And so my legs and my upper body are working against resistance. So this particular workshop is going to be held on the 13th of December, and it's the first time that I've ever delivered this on a live Zoom workshop setting. So it means it opens up more opportunities for people around Australia and the globe to be able to hop in to do this online training. There is no other online training for Gymstick H2O, and I'm really excited about having this opportunity. So I hope to see you there.